I'm attorney Charlie Naegle of the Naegle law firm. I want to talk to you a little bit about getting pulled over on suspicion of DUI. A lot of individuals think that when you get pulled over for a DUI, it's important to follow the lead of the officer and do whatever the officer wants you to do, thinking that you're going to talk your way out of it or perform field sobriety tests to the best of your ability and he's going to let you go. Well, let me be the first to tell you that these tests are designed for you to fail. These tests are designed for the officer to have probable cause to arrest you. There's no law that requires you to perform these tests, these field sobriety tests, the walk and turn test, the test where you have to touch your nose or count your fingers or say the alphabet backwards. There's no law that requires you to do that. There is no law that requires you to perform the breathalyzer test, the portable breathalyzer test. These are things that give the officer that probable cause to arrest you. So the best thing that you can do is let the officer know that you're not going to perform those tests without the presence of your attorney. And make that phone call an attorney as soon as you can. If they take you back down to the station, if they arrest you anyway and take you down to the station, then at some point you may be required or requested to give a blood sample or a breath sample on a machine called the Intoxilizer 8000. You'll know it, it's a big machine, has a big hose coming from it. Those two tests, the blood test and the Intoxilizer 8000, those are required by law for you to perform. There are certain situations where I would advise you not to perform those. That's why, again, it's important that before you do any tests or answer any questions of an officer that you call an attorney. Our office is available 24 hours a day, 480-378-9000. That's a number that should be programmed in your phone. And we can answer any questions for you and advise you right there while you're sitting at the station or even on the side of the road. We can answer questions for you on what you should and should not do in the presence of that officer.